Today we're in the shop just doing some basic maintenance. We're going to do the air filter replacement on my 2014 BMW R1200GSA Adventure. Alright, to start off we're going to pull off these wings just to give us a little more room to work. We'll be using this T25 for darn near everything today. Next, we're going to be pulling off this tank cover using that same T25. You'll have to remove your seat to access the two Torx fasteners down here. Don't forget the ones hiding in this cubby hole here. Alright, we finally made it down to the airbox. We're still working with that same Torx T25, and we have 4 of these long Torx fasteners to pull out. The airbox lid will come out, it's just pretty tight with all this body work around it. Alright, let's pull out this old dirty air filter. It's time to install the new one. Don't forget to reinstall this cage. That's what seals the air filter to the box. It's basically like a spacer in between the lid and the filter to hold it in place. All right, we're back to reassembly here. It goes together just like it came apart, but in reverse. Hey, take your time with this tank cover. There's a couple spots that have to clip into place and some tabs that lock into the other body panels. On this tank cover hardware, I just went around and did everything finger tight first, made sure that it all went to its home first, and then went back and torqued it all down. Hey, don't forget the couple fasteners that are hiding in here. We're in the home stretch now. Just got a couple of these wings to bolt back on. Hey, I really appreciate you watching this video all the way to the end. Thank you. It means a lot to me. See you next time.